Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add new clock to your Android device. So for doing this you just need to open your clock on Android, so just go to the tools and here you will find clock, so just click on it and choose clock, and here you click on plus, so just click on it, and here you need to write the name of the city you want to add clock, for example London, or for example Barcelona. So just click on Barcelona and just you will see here that now it's 2 hours and 17 minutes PM. So to add another city, just click here and add another city, for example Dubai. So let's write here in search tab Dubai, and we successfully added Dubai to our word clock. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.